Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Ahmed and in today's video I'm going to show you how to recover the latest messages on Instagram in just a few simple steps. But before to begin this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for not missing any update in the future. And now without further ado, let's dive into it. Okay, first open your Instagram app, then click on your profile, then click on three lines, then click on account center, then click on your information and permissions, then click on download your information, then click on download or transfer information, then click on some of your information, then scroll down, then mark messages option over here, then click on next, then select what do you want to do with your information, then click on next. Then click on date arrange, and here we have last week, last month, last 3 months, etc. For example, if you want to recover all your deleted messages on Instagram, so you should select all time option. Then click on save, then click on create files. Wait a few minutes until the download button is ready. After that, you can download your information by clicking download button here on Instagram, or you can download your information by clicking download button that you will receive on your Gmail app, okay? Okay guys, hope you find this tutorial useful and helpful, and if you do, then please like, share and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next video. Bye.